In front of me is a MAXCOM Smart MS457, and today I will show you how to access the Fastboot mode. So we'll start off by powering out the device, hold power key and then select shutdown and confirm it by tapping on OK. So once the device shuts off, it will indicate it by vibrating, and from there we can start holding a volume up and power key. So that was the vibration. So volume up, power key, hold both of them together. Okay, and from here we'll use only volume up to navigate, as you can see, and volume down will be used to confirm. And with that in mind, select Fastboot mode and confirm it with the power key, or volume down key I meant, and it's the middle option. So just click on it and then you have a little message lower up here, Fastboot mode, and basically now the device is in Fastboot mode. So that is how you would access it. And if you want to leave it, all you need to do is just hold power key till the device shuts off. Okay, now it's powered off. As you can see, it's turning back on its own. And as you can see, we're back in the normal Android. So that is basically how you would access and also leave the Fastboot mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.